Hi, we are from App Trading Marketplace, a platform for CSP collaboration. Let me introduce the champions, Robi, uh, Dialog, and Deutsche Telekom.
And apart from this, we have four Catalyst members. On the marketplace side, we have Aptium and Huawei. On the mid-end part, we have ADL. And for the catalog part, we have Ericsson.
So let me introduce the business problem that we are solving. Uh, when the CSP's network domain is really standardized and industry is going ahead in one direction in terms of 3G, 4G, and 5G, we have seen in BSS domain it's really stagnant and very operator specific, and it leads to CSP struggling, not having very flexibility with BSS elements, and not having flexibility because of tight integrations and complex integrations, and it leads to high time to market because it's really difficult to push through a change, which leads to again in turn high TCO. Total cost of ownership because development cost is high because your resource pool is limited. Only people who know your system can change. You are not exposed to global resources, and operational costs skyrocket because you implement change in multiple systems. And security end, there is a security concern because introducing a partner might compromise your security. So we wanted to create leverage, create a platform that CSPs can come out of that and really be a digital telco from a legacy telco.
So basically, in order to achieve this, we wanted to stick to existing TMF frameworks and standards. And here we followed open digital architecture. We tried to leverage existing open APIs for solving interoperability problems among the components. And we want to also implement a platform reference architecture for CSPs and also partners of the CSPs. And for this, in this case, we provided a marketplace. And in this marketplace, we wanted to meet CSPs. And then CSPs can create also their own platform business using the other solution components.
So for what we did was we decoupled the BSS component, BSS elements, and extracted the APIs to API Fabric and microservice platform to create change, which can be managed in an ecosystem. And by doing that, we converted very customized CSP environment into consistent TMF compliant ODA framework aligned architecture where it gives an opportunity to port the changes that you create in one CSP environment to other CSP environment. That's where we give rise to the marketplace.
When it comes to solution architecture, we provided a abstraction layer on the mid-end, and in this platform, we enabled development of microservices and applications. These applications are published to a marketplace, and in the marketplace, we used Aptium and Huawei in touch, and we federated this to marketplace applications. So one CSP subscribing to marketplace is able to publish its own apps or microservices for the use of the second CSP. And accordingly, once the second CSP downloads this application from the marketplace, then it will be able to configure the product accordingly and open these products to its partner for further bundled products or customized services.
By doing this, the business value if you talk about business value that we are bringing in, we are giving an opportunity to CSP to transform from legacy to digital CSP, and we are giving them opportunity to evolve, not just change. And by doing that, we are ensuring the investment security of their current BSS elements because we are not asking to reinvest to reinvent, but we are asking them to reuse to reinvent. And since we are developing on based on consuming TMF APIs, which in turn transform from legacy APIs, whatever the developments we do stays future-proof because it's developed agnostic of underlying BSS elements. And this gives individual CSPs the opportunity with the ADL DT domain, DEPB architecture to do rapid innovation. Then the rapid innovation really helps CSPs to transform. Then it leads to implement the full DEPB architecture of industry collaboration, where people can come together and share their success stories profitably in the marketplace. On contributions, we have successfully demonstration of decoupling of legacy BSS from innovation layer and adopting ODA framework aligned to DPRA. And we have successfully demonstrated converting core BSS capabilities to TMF open APIs, which multi-vendor environment, and creating reusable BSS assets in terms of application which are traded in marketplace. And also we successfully demonstrated first of its kind marketplace for CSPs.
And in this Catalyst project, we have successfully used certain TMF APIs. Basically, we made 12 extensions and we created 6 new APIs for the solution. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.